Hey, what's up? It's Mike from Search Scientist, and today we're going to be taking a look at how to add a user to your Google Analytics account. When you first log in, you're normally taken to this Home tab over here on the left side. And what we're going to do is click on the bottom left, the little gear, the admin button. Now, when you're there, you see three things. You have an account, you have a property, and you have a view. Your account may have several different properties. So let's say you have a piece of software. So you may have, your homedomain.com, and then you might have app.homedomain.com. That will be segmented under properties. Generally, you only have one property. So if you wanted to add someone to all of your different properties, you go ahead and click the leftmost user management. Once you're here, you have a whole bunch of different options. If you want to add a new user, go ahead and click the plus sign in the top right. You can either add a new user or a totally different brand new group. A group would be maybe you're adding a marketing team, for example. You can add all of them underneath one group. For this video, let's just go ahead and add a single new user. You'd go ahead and punch their email in. Leave on the notify new user by email just so they get a notification. And then you have some permissions on the bottom. The permissions are pretty self-explanatory. Would you like them to be able to add or delete users or manage user permissions? Would you like them to be able to read and analyze the data? If you're adding someone to Google Analytics, probably. Would you like them to collaborate? Meaning, would you like them to create and share assets, like create a new dashboard inside Google Analytics or anything like that? And then finally, would you like them to be able to edit the account or the property cannot manage users? So maybe if you wanted to add someone who needed some edit permissions, that's maybe somebody who wants to link Google Analytics to Google Search Console or Google Analytics to AdWords. That's sort of an edit there. So go ahead and set those permissions, click add, and you're all done.